All right, welcome back everybody. My name is Pritesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy ADA directly from the Yoroi Chrome extension. I'm really excited about this feature because a lot of times having to go through an exchange isn't really the easiest process. So now seeing this integration within the Yoroi Chrome extension, making things just that much easier for the end user. So really cool. I wanted to show you this. I'm going to go through this process for the first time. As you guys can see, there is a 0 ADA balance currently in my Yoroi wallet. So I'm going to go through this with you all for the first time. This is all going to be completely new to me. So we're going to go through this together and see what the processes look like. So to get things started, I've got the Yoroi Chrome extension pulled up on my computer. I know that this feature is currently available on the Chrome extension. Unfortunately, it is not currently available for the mobile application. Here I've got the Yoroi Chrome extension on my desktop. I've went ahead and used my recovery phrase to restore my wallet. And once you've restored your wallet, you can click on the option at the top right saying buy and sell ADA. So this is really cool. This is a very brand new feature. So now it's giving us the option to select the receiving address. So in this instance here, it's showing the public address for the Shelly Yoroi wallets I currently have in the Chrome extension. So we'll go ahead and click on this. You can also enter an address manually if you did want to send the ADA to a different wallet. Say, for instance, if you have a Daedalus wallet, you can just type in that address manually. So however you want to do it, you've got some options. Let's go ahead and click on this check mark here. And then next, it's asking us to select our preferences. So on the next screen, confirm your selection by pressing the green arrow on the top right. So it's really cool what they've done here. They've integrated an API from the Changely exchange into Yoroi. So really cool. I mean, as far as being able to eliminate any barriers to entry, a lot of people find the process of having to go through an exchange and registering and going through and depositing and withdrawing your ADA. It's just a bit cumbersome. So with this being integrated directly into the wallet, sending it directly to your address in the wallet, it's just going to make things that much easier for the end user. So I'd like to see this. Let's go ahead and start with a small amount. I'm really not trying to pick up any big bags of ADA today. So I guess maybe let's start with 10 bucks. Let's see if we can do $10. The minimum amount is $20. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and do $20. The minimum amount is $50. Okay, very interesting. So let's do $50. It looks like $50 is the minimum. That's kind of weird. Let me go back. So $20. The minimum amount is $50. Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit weird. I think maybe a bit of a bug, maybe a bit of a UX quirk there, but I guess $50 is the minimum to be able to purchase ADA using this interface. So just something to keep in mind if you wanted to purchase anything less than that. So in this instance, it's asking us to choose our country. Next, it's asking us to agree with the terms of use. So we'll just click on the checkbox down at the bottom and we'll click on exchange. From here, it's asking us to just verify the correct ADA wallet address. In this instance, by default, we selected in the previous screen the wallet that is currently in the Yoroi Chrome extension. So we'll just keep that how it is. And it's also showing us the current exchange rate. So $50 US is currently worth 42.4 ADA. So let's go ahead and click on continue. And from here, it's going to automatically redirect us to the Changely website. So what we see here, the main screen, it's showing us the exchange rate of Cardano and the amount of dollars which we are purchasing. So that looks correct. Let's go ahead and click on continue. The next option here it's giving us is to fill out our address. So what I'm going to do is quickly go ahead and fill out the correct billing information. Click on the check mark down at the bottom saying that we've read and understand the agreement, and then just go ahead and click on continue. The next screen that we see, it's asking for the credit card billing address. So just want to make sure you fill out the correct information there. I'm just blurring out this information here for privacy purposes. Let's go ahead and click on continue. And then the next screen, it's going to ask us to enter in our credit card details. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the information for my credit card. After you've typed in the correct credit card information, we can go ahead and click on continue. So this next screen that we see here is going to be the confirmation screen. It's giving us the payment method. We can see the summary. There is a processing fee. It's a pretty hefty processing fee, to be totally honest. I think you're going to end up paying a bit of a premium using this type of format. So just full transparency there. I think that for the ease of use and simplicity, you are paying a bit of a premium there for purchasing these coins. But it's just another way to be able to interact and purchase ADA. So I'm going to go ahead and check on the box down at the bottom saying that we agree to the terms of use, and then we'll click on the green Buy Now button at the bottom. So it's saying that it's processing our payment, and it's saying almost done. So now this is showing us the order ID. We've got the send to address. So this is our wallet address in Yoroi. It shows us here the summary of ADA that we purchased, amount in dollars. It shows us the processing fee. So definitely kind of expensive if you're looking to purchase ADA, but I guess it's pretty typical as to what you would see on any other type of exchange as well. So, you just have to do with it what you will, as opposed to convenience. And if you're willing to pay that premium, definitely up to you and what works best for you personally. But what we can see here was just the green check boxes being completed. So it's showing the order, showing transaction is verified, transaction has been successfully processed, and next is going to deliver our crypto. Okay, so it took a little bit of time, but we were waiting for that transaction to go through. It shows now that the crypto has been delivered. So it's really a straightforward process. We do even see down at the bottom, now that the crypto is delivered, we are able to check the wallet using the Blockchain Explorer. So we can verify that using the Blockchain Explorer as well. And then they did also send a confirmation to my email. Let's go back to our wallet for Yoroi. Let's see if this updates. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. Going to let this sync. All right, there it is. So it looks like we've got that ADA now directly in our Yoroi wallet. We can see here if we click on transactions, ADA has been received just now. This is the amount that we purchased using the interface for the Yoroi Chrome extension. So guys, very cool. We are on the cutting edge of the innovation being built here for blockchain technology and for Cardano. I'm extremely excited about all the cool things that are being built, and I'm very happy to be on this journey with you all. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do get a chance to try this out for yourself, let me know how it worked for you down in the comments section. If you did enjoy this video here today, please be sure to drop a like for me before you head out. And if you want to stay up to date with all the relevant Cardano news, content, and how-to information, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.